Do you have a hankering for something sweet? Don't hurry to buy regular candies. Watch our new video with creative sweet ideas. Make your favorite candies bigger or smaller, quickly and easily. Dolly is back from her trip to the chocolate factory. She is overwhelmed with emotions. She shows her lucky golden ticket to the blue-eyed girl. All of a sudden, Fruitella appears in the blue-eyed girl's hands. But it's not regular, it's miniature. Cut a chewy candy into 6 pieces. Shape it into a flat cube. Cut a small wrapper out of the big one so that it fits the size of the mini candy. Wrap the mini candy in the same style as the regular one. Draw 4 lines on a piece of paper. Make equal gaps that are of the same size as the mini candy. Fold up and glue the package. Attach a label. The girls unwrap the mini sweet cubes and enjoy their favorite candies gladly. Dolly unpacks her luggage at home and takes out a giant bar of Ritter Sport. Wow, it's heavy. It must be over 2 pounds. We will need 7 ounces of powdered sugar, 3½ ounces of dried milk or cream, and 3½ ounces of shredded coconut for the filling. Mix all the dry ingredients and pour in 7 ounces of melted butter. Mix it nicely. Add melted white chocolate. Print a mirror image of the chocolate label. Cover it with parchment paper and trace the inscription with hot glue. Cut off the excess of a square plastic container. Attach the hot glue inscription to the bottom. Coat the bottom and the walls of the container with a thick layer of melted milk chocolate. Let it harden. Put in the filling. Cover it with the melted chocolate. Let it cure in the fridge for 20 to 30 minutes. Take the chocolate out of the container when it hardens. Make 4 identical details. Put a few chocolate bars to shape a square. Spread the melted chocolate over it and attach 4 filled chocolate details. Make a wrapper out of a big blue piece of paper. Cover one side of it with white tape. Attach a chocolate label to the other. Put in the giant chocolate bar and glue the wrapper. The blue-eyed girl barely manages to break the giant chocolate bar. It has a filling inside. You'll hardly be able to buy it in a regular store. It's an exclusive sample. It turns out to be Dolly's DIY. She took part in a famous chocolate pro tutorial. It was very exciting. Dolly wants to make some sandwiches. Yeah, marshmallow spread will do. Paint a clear jar lid in red. Attach a mini fluff label. Take some marshmallow spread from a regular container and put it into the small jar. The fluff jar is so tiny. Still, Dolly has a whole basket of bread for some reason. This amount won't be enough even for one sandwich. Anyway, Dolly starts making sandwiches. One, and another, and one more. And the jar is still full? Is it magic? Dolly has got some tiny kisses on hand. Put milk chocolate drops on parchment paper. Melt some chocolate drops in a double boiler. Pour it into a Ziploc bag. Snip off one corner and cover the chocolate drops on the parchment paper with the melted chocolate. Use a straw to make a peak. Wait for the chocolate to cool a little and add some more on top. Shape the candies as onion domes so that they look like the real Kisses candies. Cut foil into small squares. Attach a thin paper strip to one corner. Wrap up the candies. Fold up a mini printed out label and glue the package. Put in the candies. The blue-eyed girl can hardly take a teeny candy out of the bag. And what am I supposed to do with it? It's almost nothing. You are right. We will get a bigger one now. Dolly snaps her fingers. The blue-eyed girl barely manages to hold the candy in her hands. It's super heavy. Plug the nozzle of a big funnel with foil. Put it into a cup. Pour in melted chocolate. Spread a few layers of the chocolate over the inside of the funnel. Let each layer harden. Melt 10 ounces of milk chocolate for the filling. Put in 3½ ounces of butter. Add 2 ounces of powdered sugar when the butter melts completely. Put in 3 ounces of whole hazelnuts. Add 1 ounce of breakfast cereal balls. Put the filling into the maxi candy. Spread over the melted chocolate. Let it cure in a fridge for an hour. Remove the funnel. Scrape it with a knife to correct the shape. Take the candy out of the cup and put it on a plate, and cover it with the melted chocolate. Let it harden. Wrap the candy with gold crepe paper. Attach a big candy label. One candy will be just enough for the two of us. And mini kisses turn out to be delicious as well. We have a pack of M&Ms. It's perfect for friends. But it seems all the candies are gone. Nothing comes out of the pack. Something must have stuck in it. Let's shake it harder. At last, a jackpot falls out of it. It's a huge M&M. Smash cookies into fine crumbs. Put the roll out colored sugar paste. Sprinkle it with powdered sugar or starch from time to time. Put the semi-spheres onto it when they harden. Put one semi-sphere onto the other. And wrap them with the sugar paste. Smooth out the seams. Paint an M letter on top with white food coloring. One big M&M is way better than a lot of small ones. First of all, it will last longer. Moreover, you can treat all of your friends. Well, my friend is nowhere to be seen, so I can enjoy my bar of chocolate by myself. Dolly takes out her cherished sweet, but her friend turns out to be close by. She hates when Dolly doesn't share with her and decides to teach her a lesson. She swaps her regular bar of Ritter Sport for its mini version. Pour some melted milk chocolate into a rectangular clear cap. Crumble cornflakes and put them in the chocolate while it's still warm. Pour the rest of the chocolate on top and let it harden. Make a grid on the mini chocolate bar using a knife. Make a mini wrapper. Put the mini chocolate bar in it. The race for the chocolate bar is in full swing. Watch out, my friend! Did you like the new creative ideas of unusual candies? Then write in your comments which candy you would like to taste. A giant or miniature one? And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new creative chocolate ideas on the Troom Troom channel.